guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so for today's video, I'm super excited because we're going to be going into aspects of myself that I never knew about and that have always been a mystery. And what I mean by that is, well, if you're new to this channel, you may not have seen my past video about 25 facts about me, but I'm adopted. And with being adopted, it kind of leaves space for wonder, and especially if you're me and you don't know who your father is and everyone plays this really kind of twisted race or ethnicity guessing game every time you come around. But it does leave a mystery to it because it feels like I don't know half of me. Even though the majority part that I recognize with is me, I still would like to know. Also, if I had like $1 for every time someone tried to guess what I was, I'd probably not be in college debt right now. Anyway, today's video is going to be about DNA makeup, or my DNA makeup specifically. Okay, so back on like April 25th, which was I think National like DNA Day, company named 23AndMe, which is an ancestry company or a genetics company that you send your DNA to and they tell you what you are. They did a sale, and I've always been debating on if I should do it, what it would clarify, what kind of closure would it actually give me, and my better judgment got the best of me and I got it. So it took like 2 weeks to get here. The box was really cool. Like, it was very scientific. I felt like I was a part of an experiment. They send you a vial for you to fill with your spit, which I thought was weird at first because it was a really big vial, but it's really only like half the vial. You close it, and at the top is this, I don't know the scientific terms, okay? It's some type of liquid, but when you close it, it busts the cap on the liquid, and the liquid mixes with your spit, and you're supposed to shake it for like a minute, and that does something scientific. I don't know. But anyway, you send it back to them, and according to them, 3 to 6 weeks, you get your results. And whenever I upload this video, it is now May 27th, and my results came in, and I'm super nervous because, like I said, not knowing exactly what you are or kind of what makes up you has been a mystery that I've been wanting to figure out for a while. So that's what we're doing essentially. Sorry for the really long intro. I don't know how to explain that. We're going to be seeing what DNA ethnicities I am. So they sent me the link last night to go to my 23andMe account, and let's go. According to my spit and DNA, I'm apparently 55.4% European. Yo, that's crazy. Guys, you don't understand how kind of refreshing that is. Not that I'm like, oh my god, I'm white. No, that you actually know what you are. Because everyone guesses like Hispanic. I've been called Indian, which is ridiculous. I don't know where they get that from. The guessing games go on forever. So of that 55, I'm gonna round these numbers, like 17% British Irish, let's say 5% French and German, about what, 2% Balkan, wherever that is, and we're not gonna count like the smaller percents because they don't really matter. Moving on to the important part. So apparently I'm 42.7% Sub-Saharan African, which is West African, extending from Senegal to Cameroon, which is a big part of where they stole slaves from. So I figured that. See, now with this, I now want to travel to West Africa to learn more about cultures and what makes me, because this is really cool. It also says I'm like 0.6 East Asian and Native American, but we're not going to count that because that's literally nothing. Because through the centuries, obviously, with the colonization of America, I figured that. I've always wondered why I didn't get like the full lips. I've seen mixed people and they still had the full lips and such, and I felt bad because I missed out on it, and I guess that's why. I missed it by like a percentile. That's cool. Whatever. It's nice to know that my birth father ethnicity now, because there's no mystery to it anymore, and I'm super actually happy about that. I don't think you guys understand how like relieved I am, because now I don't feel bad for assuming what I am. If you look at genetics, anyone can look like anything. I've seen fully black people who look exactly like me, and so I would think maybe I'm not mixed at all, and it's kind of like an identity crisis. Like, you don't know. If you want to go get this done, I don't know if they're having a sale right now. I got it when no one's on sale because, you know, I'm broke. If you want to, you can just go to 23andme.com. The kit is pretty cool. Even if you know both your parents, it's really cool to figure out where you come from. And I think we all should, as a culture, come together like that. Like, no one's fully white, no one's fully black, no one's blah blah blah. Unless you're like part of a very exclusive culture that like hasn't branched out into other civilizations. Then you should stay like that, because civilization kind of sucks right now. We're gonna end this video with me saying, although I figured out what I'm mixed with, I'm still blackity black. That's all I'm going to. It's all I've ever identified as. It's what it's the culture I grew up around. I'm black. At the end of the day, I know what I am. Okay, kids, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to not fetishize mixed genes, because it's really weird. Please don't ever do that. Don't be that guy or girl. Don't be a creep. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will see you next Wednesday. Remember, stay black.